Alright guys, come with me to get some gas in the 600 horsepower 1.5JZ IS300. CarPlay has really changed the game quite a bit. It's actually such a nice thing. right, so we're looking at 247 kilometers. Let's see, let's do the math. 247 kilometers is 274 times 0.62. 169 miles divided by 10.297. 16.4 miles per gallon. Pretty good on the E85, which burns 30% faster. So if we were gonna times that by 0.3 plus 16, that's more like 20 miles per gallon on pump gas. But yeah, that's pretty neat. Okay, let's get going. Let's do it.